Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 8 English Medium, Unit 8. In Unit 8, there is a chapter. A chapter name is A Short Monsoon Diary, written by Ruskin Bond. I have completed the chapter. Now turns to MCQs. Here is the MCQ. Paragraph and MCQs. The paragraph starts with, through the mist, Biju is calling to his sister. I can hear him running about on the hillside, but I can not see him. So, out of this passage, we have 3 MCQs. Okay, let's see the first MCQ, multiple choice question. Number 1. The scene being described here is, options are, the first day of monsoon, the last day of monsoon, and ordinary day of the hill, a winter day. So the scene is being described here as the first day of monsoon. What? The first day of monsoon is the correct answer. Because monsoon, we cannot see the Biju when he calling his sister because of the lot of mist, fog. Number 2, the author cannot see Biju because, what is the reason? Why the author cannot see Biju? Because of a lot of mist, or we can say fog. So there are 4 options here. Option A, he is not in the line of his eyes. It is misty. It is night. He is blind. Because of lot of mist. So B is the correct answer. It is misty. Lot of mist, fog. Now 3rd, the passage is written by. Not only this passage, but the chapter is also written by whom? Who has written the chapter? Ruskin Bond's diary. Ruskin Bond. He has written his diary. Okay. So the passage is written by not Satyajit Ray, not Rabindranath Tagore, Nathaniel Hawthorne, but Ruskin Bond is the author of the book. Then next, here is the paragraph. What is the paragraph? It is a good sound to read by. The rain outside, the quiet within. And although tin roofs are given to the springing unaccountable leaks, there is a feeling of being untouched by and yet in touch with the rain. So this is the paragraph. Through this paragraph, these 3 MCQs has made. See these MCQs. Here the author is praising. Here the author is praising what? See, author of praising this. Okay. So tin roofs, rain, springing or leaks. So in this paragraph, the author is praising the tin roof. What? Tin roof. Because of lot of sound created while raining on roof. So author is praising the tin roof. Number 2, the good sound is produced by. The good sound is produced by what? Rain only, tin roof only, rain and tin roofs, rain and leaks. While raining on the roof, the good sound produced by rain and tin roofs. Both. Option C is the correct answer. An author enjoyed, loved it. The word springing, here is the word springing, Accountable leaks. The springing means what? Creating by the rain here. Leaks. Okay, so creating is the correct answer. Then next, here MCQs. MCQ number 1. This diary is written by. Already I have told the answer who is author of the poem. So this diary is written by Michael Morpurgo, S.D. Sawant, Satyajit Ray, or D. Ruskin Bond. So D is the correct answer. Ruskin Bond has written the chapter. Okay, and this diary called diary. Second, the author could hear Biju but could not see him because of what? Because of the distance, because of the wall, because of the mist, or because of the fact that he was not in the line of his vision. I have already said about this. When in the monsoon season there are lot of mist, fog, creating the fog in this season. So author could not hear Biju but could not, he could hear the Biju but could not see him because of the mist. Now number 3. Monsoon rain is option A, cold and unpleasant, very small, warm and humid, and hot. So monsoon rain is warm and humid is the correct answer. In his diary, the author is describing. So Ruskin Bond's diary, author is describing what? Simla, Mussoorie, Nainital, or Ooty. So in his diary, the author, where he stayed, the author stayed at Mussoorie. Where stays at Mussoorie. So describing the place of Mussoories. Now comes to number 5. The Drongos. The Drongos, option A, sing like minivets, are very beautiful, are there in all seasons, charge the minivets away. When the Drongos came, the minivets away, because this minivets is small bird and the Drongos killed it. That is why they charge the minivets away. Number 6. Insectivorous birds are happy in the monsoon season. Why? As they get plenty of food. Because they breed in this season. Because they love water. As the weather is to their liking. So insectivorous birds are happy as they get plenty of food. Plenty of food because of the monsoon season. In this season, a lot of leaves and all the things are being produced. That is why. Now number 7. The sound of the falling rain on tin roof. Okay, the sound on falling rain on tin roof disturb the author in his reading, helps the author to read, annoys the author, and D, makes the author leave that place. The sound of the falling rain on tin roof. Author enjoyed that sound and helps the author to read. So option B is the correct answer. So these are the MCQs of the chapter. Now comes to what? Comes to the question answer, short answer type questions. Number 1. What makes the mist melancholy? So the answer is the mist takes away the beauty of sight as well as the sound. The hills becomes invisible and the birds stop singing. These two things make the mist melancholy. Which two things? Birds stop singing and beauty of sight as well as the sound. The hills become invisible because of the lot of mist. We cannot see the hills. That is why these two things make mist melancholy. Now number 2, what does the author mean by the cold high altitude stuff? The answer is by the cold high altitude stuff the author means the winter rain on the hills. What the winter rain on the hills? Compared to whom? Compared to the monsoon rain. Winter rain is very cold and unpleasant. That is the high altitude of stuff. Cold high altitude. Both the rains are different. Winter rain is very cold as the monsoon rain is warm and humid. Now comes to number 3. Which two unwelcome visitors came to Mussoorie during the monsoon? Why were they unwelcome? The unpleasant visitors are which? Leopards and thousands of leeches. Leopards and thousands of leeches. The leopard killed domestic animals and the leeches sucked blood. So both of them were unwelcomed. Which two animals? Leopard and thousands of leeches. Leopard killed which animals? Domestic animals like buffaloes, dogs, and leeches sucked the blood. Okay, these reasons they were unwelcomed. Number 4, described minivates. Here, minivates are brightly colored bird. What? Brightly colored birds. The males are scarlet. The females are yellow. They flit silently among the leaves like shining jewels. Being brilliantly bright, they cannot conceal themselves, yet by remaining completely silent, they sometimes remain unnoticed. So here the minivates, the both male and female are different. The males are scarlet and the female's color are yellow, and they sit silently on the leaves on the tree and they shining like a jewels. So these are the short question answer of the unit. I have explained the short question answers and MCQs of this unit 8. I hope you understand about this unit. Thank you.